Method 1, the easiest fix. Try the default password first. The very first thing to try is the default password fuse. Go to your Lorex DVR login screen right now. First try username, admin, password, admin. Type it carefully and press enter.
If that fails, try 6 zeros, 0000000. Then press enter.
Last default option, username admin, password completely blank. Just press enter without typing anything.
If any default password worked trefif, you are back in. Go change your password immediately so this never happens again.
If none of these worked PEF, no problem at all. Method 2 uses your smartphone and takes under 3 minutes.
Pick up your phone and open the Lorex Home app. If you don't have it plugged, download it free from the App Store or Google Play.
Make sure your phone and DVR are both on the exact same Wi-Fi network. This step is critical. Do not skip it.
Inside the app, find your DVR in the device list and tap on it. Then, tap the settings gear icon in the top corner. Scroll down until you see Reset Password Through. Tap on it. The app will send a reset link to your registered email address. Open your email inbox, find the email from Lorex, and tap the Reset Password button inside that email. Open your email inbox PC, find the email from Lorex, and tap the Reset Password button inside that email. Type your new password. Make it strong. Letters, numbers, and a special character. Confirm it and tap Save.
Go to your DVR login screen, type your new password, and you are back in full control. Method 2 complete.
Method 3, reset your password using your DVR's built-in security questions.
Go to your DVR login screen and deliberately enter the wrong password 5 times in a row. Keep going even when it shows error. After the 5th wrong attempt posture, a Forgot Password option will appear at the bottom of your screen. Click on it immediately.
You will now see the security questions you set up when you first installed your Lorex DVR. Answer each one prayerfully. Exact spelling is very important.
Type your answers carefully, then click Confirm. You will immediately be taken to the password reset screen.
Set your new password, confirm it, click Save. You are now back inside your Lorex DVR. No tools needed or no phone calls required.
Method 4 Confirm. The QR code method, exclusively available on Lorex DVR systems.
This method is unique to Lorex DVRs. After a QR code will appear on your DVR screen. Open your phone camera, point it directly at the QR code on your DVR monitor, and scan it just like a normal QR code. The Lorex website will open automatically on your phone. Fill in your DVR serial number and your registered email address in the form shown. Your serial number is printed on the white label on the bottom or back of your Lorex DVR. Write it down before you start. Lorex will send a temporary password to your email within minutes. Open that email viewer. Copy the password exactly as shown. Type that temporary password into your DVR login screen. Once you are in, immediately go to Settings and set a new permanent password. Method 5, go to Lorex.com on your PC click Support, then Downloads. Download the free Lorex client software for your operating system. Make sure your PC and your Lorex DVR are both connected to the same home network before opening the software. Open the Lorex software. It will automatically scan your network and detect your DVR. Wait for it to appear in the device list. Click on Forgot Password inside the software login screen. A password reset wizard will open. Follow the steps shown on screen.
Enter your DVR serial number when prompted. Click Verify. The software will confirm your ownership and unlock the reset option.
Type your new password, confirm it, and click Save. Your DVR password is now reset and you can log in immediately.
Method 6. HOD. The CMOS battery reset. The hardware level fix that clears your DVR's memory completely.